Hello, everybody. George from George's Kentucky Workshop. This is about the fifth time I've done this video today. Eddie, one tablet is in the box. Miss Joe will clean the other tablet, and hopefully it'll be in the mail for you this week. Anyhow, I hope everybody had a better weekend than I did. Yesterday morning before 5 a.m., I was down my building here, making my grits, my oatmeal, my hot chocolate. Got in the car, flat tire. I said, no problem. I haven't taken the truck in a while. I'll take the truck. Got in the truck. Battery seemed like it was dead. Luckily, Miss Joe made me a wonderful breakfast. She took me to work. She brought me home. I put the charger on the truck overnight. I took that tire off the car. I brought it in here, plugged the tire, aired it up, put it back on. Here we are 24 hours later. It's fine. So I guess I fixed that problem. This morning, I went up to try to start the truck, thinking it was going to fire right up and everything would be good. No, same thing. I took my Harbor Freight load tester, put my load tester on there. Battery is fine. Battery's 2 years old and it's a big battery. I brought my Sonata over, put the jumper cables on it. No, same exact thing. So there is some kind of a horrible connection between the battery and the rest of the truck somewhere. It could be a hot or it could be a ground. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It was really kind of cold and dark and gray and misty today. I just wasn't feeling it, so I spent the day here in the shop next to my stove, about 80 degrees. It was good. So my next day off will be Thursday, and it's supposed to be sunny and really warm, so hopefully I can find out what's going on with the truck and get my truck running again. How can you have such a wonderful day Friday? Friday, I was on my bike all day. Friday, I had such a good time. Put some good miles on the bike. Had a spinach smoothie, which was good. And just had a fantastic day. It all went to crap after that. So, I want to thank everybody for subscribing. Thank you, everybody, for being a proud American. I hope you all vote. Miss Joe's going to be voting early this week. I'll vote November 3rd. All right, everybody. Thanks. See ya. Bye. Have a safe week.